Now let's talk about statuses, availability, and do not disturb inside of Slack. So this is your profile. You can click on it and you can set different statuses. As you can see, this is for Flowium. This is what we created on organization level. However, you can put any status you want here and add your emoji. Let's say a lot of people do on vacation and they might put different emoji, but those are the most common statuses in our organization. They will apply probably to any company. So let's say if I'm on vacation, this status will not clear. Or the best practice, I said I will be back to the office, let's say on the 19th, and I want to set it to, let's say, I don't know, like 8 a.m. So this status will be clear from my profile on that date. Also, there's some things like I'm in the meeting. There's a way to integrate calendar. I'll explain you later, so you don't have to set it manually. Also, we have status deep work. So this status for 4 hours, you can change it to 30 minutes, 1 hour, depends on how you want to do it. So other team members knows if they message me right now and I'm in deep work, probably I will not see their messages. So it's just clear, transparent status, so the team don't expect reply from me immediately. Also, we have something like sick today, and the status only for 1 day, and limited availability also is like only for today. But as other statuses, you can put it this week, only 30 minutes, and so forth.